to talk about Canva. And Canva is one of the tools that I use when I make my videos. I use it a lot for my marketing. I also use it a lot for creating YouTube thumbnails. Canva is a really good tool to use, very easy to use. Here you can create YouTube thumbnails, and there's lots of choices that you can use. If you want to upgrade, if you see these little crowns here, these are this is Canva Pro. I believe it's $12.99 a month, so I do pay that monthly, and you get all these thumbnails that you can use, or you can create your own blank thumbnail. Okay, so I am going to create one for my upcoming video I'm going to do on my crochet channel. Let me just maybe just make a quick one here. Let's go to my uploads. You can actually use your uploads from Facebook. So I click on Facebook, then it's going to connect to my account. These are my uploads right here. Okay, so here I'm going to drag this right here. And I can make it big, I can make it small. But I'm going to just stretch it. Okay. I'm going to use this as one of my JPG picture for my Etsy shop. I'm going to put it right here. Basically, I use a Canva for a lot of stuff. Mini crochet. Oops. Prayer cloth pattern. And this is actually what I need for my Etsy. You can make it big, you can make it, see, I want to stretch it. And let's see. You can make the lettering big. Okay, mini prayer cloth pattern. So what I do is I share it and just download it. I'm going to use JPG and download it. So if you have a business with your Etsy shop, you know, you can create your pictures, and I think it's done. Okay, so let me go to my Etsy. I'm going to open my Etsy shop, and I'm going to show you what I use. Let's go to my Etsy shop. This is my digital patterns, ebooks, journals, planners, coloring books, and more. And then you can come here if you want, if you see what you like. But I am working on my my pattern to sell, and we're going to go to listing. And what you want to do is you want to promote your Etsy shop. You know, you got to market your website. If you want more traffic, more people will come to it. As you can see, I have some listings here. Add a listing maybe. This is where you add the picture here. So I'm going to, there it is. So I'm going to click on that and add it. And there it is. So I have the picture. I can adjust the thumbnail. Let's see if I want to adjust it. I think it's good right there. So I'm going to save it. you can actually add a video. So I'm going to name it Mini Crochet Prayer Cloth Pattern. Who made it? I'm going to move my camera here so I did. What is it? It's a finished, it's a finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Supply or tool, because it is a pattern. And when did I make it? Recently. So you're gonna go to tutorial on, and then you're gonna pick your where's crochet? Oh, there it is. Okay. I hope you guys are following me, and if you're new to my channel, guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I always upload videos. I don't know what types of videos I'm going to upload, but I go with the flow of life in general, what I'm going through. And today I'm making this pattern to upload on my Etsy. It's a PDF pattern file, and it is tutorial. Okay, so holiday automatic physical. So it is a digital product, and I'm gonna put mini crochet prayer cloth pattern, and I'm just gonna make it simple, and I'm gonna actually go back in. So we are going to pick a section, and it is crochet pattern. If you want to add a tag, we're going to put PDF file, digital download, crochet pattern, prayer cloth, crochet prayer cloth. Actually got to add 8 more, but I'll come back and redo it. So in the materials, it's just a digital download. PDF file. So I'm just going to add those two. I'm going to price it. I'll just put $3. Quantity. Let's put 55. Digital file. So I'm going to upload my file. My file is in my download. It's actually on my desktop, so let me find it. Bear with me because here's my file. And so it is going to upload. And there it is. So I do have free listings, and there it is. So we're going to go and take a look at it. And we're going to see that listing, and there it is. So it is a mini crochet prayer cloth, and I'm going to have to go back and revise the, add a little more tags and add more description on it. But it is a mini crochet cloth, and these are what I've made in the last couple days. So, and I will be making a video on my crochet channel how to make these. So if you want to follow me on my crochet channel, Crochet with Laudiaann, with Coach Laudiaann, I will share with you how to make these, and you will get a link of this file for free if you want to make your own. And oftentimes other crocheters, we buy from each other. So sometimes they buy from me, sometimes I buy from them. So we kind of like help each other out with our Etsy shops. But this is what it looks like. Mini crochet cloth pattern. That's how I upload my patterns on my Etsy. Okay, and it does take work, you know, if you have your own business, you know, be consistent. Write down your goals every week. It's going to actually help you if you write down your goals. Write down what you're going to do for that day. So today I'm going to make my video on my mini prayer cloth and upload it. And since I've already did the pattern, it took me a while to create this PDF pattern. I did it on my Canva. If I went back home to my Canva, you can actually make free PDF books here too. And how do you do that? Is you go to US letter. I'm going to actually share it with you, but I use this one right here. But let me show you my project. So here it is right here. Alright, so I use the template and I added 2 blank template pages. And what I do is I save it, I share it, I download it. And when you download it, you're going to pick PDF standard. So you're going to press this and then you're going to download it. And since I've already downloaded, I don't need to. But what I do is, let me just turn this off. What I do with this file is I download it on my Adobe DC where I edit these pages. So let me go and share it with you. It's already done. I've already edited it on my Adobe. So I'm going to go to my downloads document and click on it. And here is my pattern. This is the pattern right here I've edited. So you get this free if you go to my crochet channel, Crochet with Coach Laudiaann, and I will have a video tutorial of making these for you where you can get access to this pattern. Well, thank you all. I'm going to end this video. My camera died on me, so you can't see me, but do watch at the end of this video, my next video. It's one of my updates, what I'm going through. Continue to watch my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I will talk to you soon and see you in the next video. Thank you all.